Chapter 4 Long Answers. Question 1 Write a short note on automatic summarization. Automatic summarization simplifies large volumes of information into shorter, more digestible versions. It employs algorithms to identify key points, main ideas, and important details within a text, producing a condensed summary that captures the essence of the original content. This facilitates comprehension and saves time by eliminating the need to read through extensive material word by word. Question 2 What is image data analysis? Image data analysis involves examining visual information presented in images to understand their content. It enables the identification of objects, recognition of patterns, and comprehension of image context. Similar to how humans interpret visuals, computers are taught to perceive and analyze images, aiding in various applications such as medical diagnosis, autonomous driving, and social media tagging. This process facilitates computer understanding and manipulation of visual data for diverse purposes. Question 3 Explain the three types of AI. Let's break down the three types of AI in simple terms. Artificial narrow intelligence, any task-specific AI like Siri and Alexa, limited to programmed tasks. Artificial general intelligence, AGI hypothetical AI with human-like cognitive abilities, capable of learning and adapting. Artificial superintelligence, ASI theoretical AI surpassing human intellect in all aspects, sparking debate on its development and implications. Question 4 Give an overview of AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a field within computer science dedicated to developing machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. Subfields of AI include machine learning, teaching computers to learn from data and improve performance over time without explicit programming; natural language processing, NLP, enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language for tasks like translation and sentiment analysis; computer vision, allowing computers to interpret visual information, such as image recognition and facial detection; robotics, integrating AI with mechanical engineering to create autonomous or semi-autonomous machines for various applications; expert systems, AI systems that emulate human decision-making in specific domains using knowledge-based rules, often applied in medicine, finance, and engineering. Question 5 Write a note on machine learning. Machine learning is akin to teaching computers to perform tasks independently by providing examples rather than step-by-step instructions. For example, by showing a computer many pictures of cats labeled as such, it can learn to identify cats in new images. This iterative process enables computers to improve over time, similar to human learning. Question 6 Explain the role of data science in the field of education. Data science enhances education by leveraging information and technology to optimize learning outcomes. Here is how: personalized learning. Utilizing data analysis, educators tailor learning experiences to match individual students' needs, promoting more effective learning. Predictive analysis. By examining past performance, data science forecasts students' future academic success, enabling teachers to offer appropriate support and challenge accordingly. Improving teaching methods. Analysis of assessment data guides teachers in identifying the most effective teaching strategies, enhancing overall instructional quality. Identifying problems. Data science detects areas of difficulty for students, allowing educators to intervene promptly with targeted support and adjustments to teaching approaches. Resource allocation. Schools optimize resource distribution, including books, technology, and personnel, to ensure equitable support for each student's educational journey. The applications of image data analytics. Medical imaging. Image data analytics aids in diagnosing diseases and detecting abnormalities in X-rays, MRI scans, and CT scans. Security and surveillance. It helps identify individuals, track suspicious activities, and enhance security in places like airports and shopping malls. Autonomous vehicles. Image data analytics enables self-driving cars and drones to identify obstacles, traffic signs, and pedestrians on the road. Retail and e-commerce. It powers product recognition and recommendation systems in online retail, enhancing customer experience. Agriculture. Image data analytics supports crop monitoring, disease detection, and yield prediction through aerial images captured by drones. Satellite imagery. It facilitates environmental monitoring, urban planning, and disaster management by analyzing satellite images for changes in land use, deforestation, and natural disasters. Question 8. Explain any three application areas of data science in brief. Here are explanations of three application areas of data science in simple terms. Healthcare. Data science improves medical outcomes by analyzing patient data to predict diseases, personalize treatments, and detect illnesses from medical imaging like X-rays and MRIs. E-commerce. Data science enhances e-commerce by analyzing customer behavior to recommend products, optimize prices based on demand trends, and detect fraud to safeguard financial information. Finance. In finance, data science aids in risk management by assessing credit risks, facilitates algorithmic trading based on market data, and detects fraud by identifying unusual transaction patterns. Question 9. How is data science used in image analytics? In simple terms, data science helps us make sense of pictures, like photos or diagrams, through a process called image analytics. Here is how it works. Understanding images. Data science teaches computers to recognize objects, people, or patterns in images, similar to how humans understand pictures. Processing information. Data science tools quickly process large amounts of image data by breaking down pictures, analyzing colors and shapes, and identifying similarities or differences between images, making decisions. Computers, once they understand images, can make decisions based on what they see. For instance, in self-driving cars, image analytics helps recognize traffic signs, pedestrians, and other vehicles. Applications. Image analytics finds applications in various fields such as healthcare, where it aids in analyzing X-rays or MRI scans to detect diseases. Question 10. What is analytics in image data? Analytics in image data refers to the process of analyzing and extracting useful information or insights from visual images. For example, analytics in image data can be used for object detection, identifying and locating specific objects within an image, such as cars, people, or animals. Image classification. It categorizes images into different predefined classes based on their content, such as classifying fruits into categories. Image segmentation. This process divides an image into multiple segments or regions to simplify its representation, aiding in identifying different objects or regions within it. Feature extraction. Analytics in image data includes identifying and extracting specific features. Image recognition. It involves recognizing and interpreting the content of images to understand what is depicted. Question 11. What are 7 goals of artificial intelligence? Explain in brief. The 7 goals of artificial intelligence explained in a simple manner. Problem solving. AI aims to develop systems capable of solving complex problems by analyzing data and making decisions. Reasoning. It seeks to enable machines to make logical deductions based on available information to reach conclusions effectively. Learning. AI aims to develop systems that can learn from data and experiences, improving their performance over time. Perception. AI endeavors to create systems that can understand the world through sensory inputs like vision and hearing. Natural language processing. NLP. It aims to enable machines to understand and generate human language, facilitating communication between humans and computers. Creativity. AI seeks to develop systems capable of exhibiting creative behavior, such as generating new ideas or solutions to problems. Social intelligence. AI aims to enable machines to understand human emotions and intentions, allowing them to interact with humans in a more empathetic manner. Question 12. How is data science in following fields? First, finance. Second, banking. Third, manufacturing. Fourth, e-commerce. Fifth, transport. Let's break it down for each field. Finance. Data science aids in risk assessment, fraud detection, and portfolio optimization for better decision making. Banking. It enhances customer service, minimizes risk, and improves operational efficiency through customer behavior analysis and fraud detection. Manufacturing. Data science optimizes processes, enables predictive maintenance, and ensures quality control by analyzing sensor data. E-commerce. It facilitates understanding customer behavior, personalizing recommendations, and optimizing marketing campaigns for better engagement. Transport. Data science optimizes routes, forecasts demand, and manages fleets to reduce congestion and enhance service quality.